Another great video type that we offer is the product demo videos. It just shows you how the product works and what you can expect from using it. So we usually do a step-by-step demonstration of the product. We'll have a paid actor usually. Usually most of the shots are close up on the product, so you're focusing more on the product. And we usually go in and get a narrator in, so we do a voiceover artist on top of the video, so we layer that in. And then we use some animations to help move the video along in a really engaging way. What you'll find with product demos and explainer videos, some of the problems there that some production companies run into is usually the viewer retention rates drop off very early on because they're very boring and they don't get to the point. Sometimes you'll find some companies that just put the video, put a tripod down, put the camera on the tripod, cut 1-2 angles, and just make it very basic. It's not necessarily great for engagement, especially if the customers haven't bought the product yet. And usually what you find with the product demos especially is the customers have not bought the product yet. They're trying to figure out how it works and if it's going to benefit them or not. So a really boring video can sometimes drive away customers a lot of the time. So you want to make sure that you get it done right.